Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on body battery tracking on Forerunner 70 from Garmin. Okay, we just gotta add this lens. To do it, all you gotta do is to slide to the downside, then keep scrolling down until you find the edit button, then click on add, and from the list you gotta find the battery simply. In my case, I have already done it and it's right in here. Now, if you go back, in here we have the measurement. We just gotta click on that. And in here we'll have all the charts. The thing is, to ensure that the body battery works correctly, you can wear the watch all day and then while you sleep, keep wrist heart rate enabled, that's the feature, and also wear the watch snugly above your wrist bone. You can also sync the watch regularly with the Garmin Connect app to view trends and additional insights. So, to sync with the Garmin Connect app, simply hold the middle left button on the upside, and from the list you gotta find the sync option. Then click on Start Stop button to sync with your Garmin Connect. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.